Tunnels are very safe in earthquakes.
Why is that?
Earthquakes are earthquakes are essentially a surface phenomenon. It's like waves on the ocean. So if there's a storm, you want to be in a submarine. So being in a tunnel is like being in a submarine. Now the way the tunnel is constructed is it's constructed out of these interlocking segments, kind of like a snake. It's sort of like a snake exoskeleton with double seals. And so even when the ground moves, the tunnel actually is able to shift along with the ground, like an underground snake, and it doesn't crack or break, and it's extremely unlikely that both seals would be broken, and it's capable of taking 5 atmospheres of pressure. It's waterproof, methane-proof, well, gas-proof of any kind.